Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today I'm making frozen grapes, which have been my obsession for a very long time once I tried them. The most time consuming part is taking all the grapes off the vine, and I put them in a little strainer, and I'm going to rinse them really well and shake off most of the water. You want them to be a little damp so that you can roll them in jello. And I've tried several different flavors of jello. Hands down, the best one, watermelon. Tastes like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. It's the best combination. So I have one box of that I've dumped in a container. And then I just go like a handful at a time, put the grapes in there, shake them around till they're fully coated, and then I set them in this little container off to the side. You can also dump it into like a bigger container. That's what my husband does when he makes them for me, and just shake the whole thing so it's a lot quicker, but I don't know. I just do it this way. It just feels like it coats them really well. And you could eat them just like this or put them in the freezer. I'm often impatient and it takes a really long time for them to freeze. And it's a good consistency because it's not like an ice cube where the whole thing is absolutely solid. It's hard, but it's still soft in the center. It's just so delicious. And if you have a sore throat or don't feel good, it makes it so much better. I absolutely love this. And I've tried like orange, lime, all sorts of different flavors. And like I said, watermelon's the best. Any leftover jello, I sprinkle on top, and I have it in a container that I put a lid on. Keeps forever in the freezer. Kids love it. Yes, there's still sugar in it, but at least you're eating something healthy with it is how I look at it. But I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think because, like I said, obsessed. Delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.